Hello children, in our part 5 video, we covered exercise 5.1 question number 1 to question number 5. But in today's video, that is part 6 video, I will cover question number 6 to question number 10. Now let's do question number 6. Question number 6 is, the cost of assembling a laptop is rupees 18,575. How much will it cost to make 108 laptops? See, in this question, it is given that cost of assembling one laptop. It is given here, that is 18,575, and we have to find the cost of assembling 108 such laptops. So when the cost of one is given and we have to find the cost of more, that is one is given and we have to find the cost of many, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the cost with the number of laptops. Okay, now let's multiply it over here. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 60, 6 carry. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6, 46, 4 carry. 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 4, 68, 6 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14. Fine. Now we have to write 1 0 over here. As I told you in my previous videos also, that in this step we have to multiply the multiplicand with the ones digit of multiplier. In the second step, we have to multiply the multiplicand by the tens digit, that is 0. And in the last step, we have to multiply the multiplicand with the hundreds digit. Hundreds digit plus the place, it is at hundreds place, so I will put 2 zeros over here. Fine. Now, let's do this step. When we multiply 0 by any number, then we get 0 itself. So, 5 digits are there, so I write 5 zeros over here. Now, I have to put 2 zeros here. Then we will start multiplying from this. 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Now, we have to add it. Now, let's add it. 0, 0, 11, 1 carry. 16, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, and 10, 1 carry. Let's write the carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2. So cost to make 100 laptops is rupees 20 lakh 6,100. Question number 7 is, for an excursion, every child was asked to pay rupees 2,380. What amount was collected by the school if 152 students agreed to go? See, in this question, it is given that one child has to pay 2,380 if they are interested in going to the excursion. Excursion means any tour. Okay, so 152 students are interested to go. So how much cost, how much amount the school will collect? So how will we do? See, again amount collected from one child by the school is rupees 2,380, and we have to find the amount collected from 152 children by the school. So we have to multiply the amount which is collected by the child from one child multiplied by 152, because total students are 152. Okay, now let's multiply. Again you have to follow 3 steps for multiplying. In first step, you will multiply multiplicand by ones digit of multiplier. In second step, you will multiply multiplicand by the tens digit and its place, that is 50, we have to multiply. And in third step, you have to multiply the multiplicand with hundreds digit with 2 zeros, and it is at hundreds place. Now let's multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 0 over here, 5 0s are 0, 5 8s are 40. 4 we will write above 1, 5 8s are 40. 4 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19. 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 1 11. Now 2 zeros. Okay, 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Now we have to add 0, 6, 7, 21, 6, 3. So answer is amount collected from 152 children from a school by a school is rupees 3,61,760. Now let's do question number 8. Question number 8 is find the total time in minutes for the month of March. Okay, so we have to find the number of minutes in the month of March. So first of all we will find the number of minutes in one day. How will we find it? We all know 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours multiplied by 60 minutes, that is 1 day has 1440 minutes, because 24 multiplied by 6 is 144 and 1 0 is there. So we will write 1 0 over here. Fine. So 1440 minutes are there in just 1 day. Now we have to find the number of minutes in the month of March. We all know that month of March has 31 days. Fine. So minutes in 1 day we have already find out. 1 day is equal to 1440 minutes. So minutes in 1 day is given and we have to find the minutes in 31 days. 31 days being because March has 31 days. Now again minutes in 1 day is given and we have to find the minutes in 31 days. 1 to many, same concept. So when the minutes in 1 day is given and we have to find the minutes in 31 days, then we will multiply. And you all know how to multiply. In so many questions we have done multiplication. So this multiplication you will do yourself and your answer will be March has 44,640 minutes. Question number 10 is find the product of the largest 5-digit number and the largest 3-digit number. Okay, now the largest 5-digit number is 99999. That is 5 times 9. Okay, now largest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to find the product of these two numbers. Now this we have to multiply 99,999 by 999. Now you will multiply these numbers and you will get the answer. That is product is equal to dash, which you are going to find out. With this question our unit 5 multiplication is over. Now your homework is do question number 9 and complete question number 10 in your register. Thank you children.